If you're craving something exotic but only have a minute, let's whirl into the world of takoyaki. First things first, heat up your takoyaki pan and get those dimples nice and oily. Scoop in the batter only halfway because we're about to load these babies up. Drop in a chunk of tender-cooked octopus or shrimp or veggies if that's more your jam. Sprinkle in some crunchy tenkasu and a bit of green onion for that kick. Now here comes the fun part. As the edges start setting, twist and turn each ball with a skewer. Keep at it until they're all perfectly round and irresistibly golden. All crispy and ready, drizzle over some rich takoyaki sauce and a zigzag of creamy mayonnaise. Finish with a sprinkle of Aonori and fluttery Katsuobushi. And there you have it, hot, delicious takoyaki, ready faster than you can say oishi. That's delicious, by the way. Grab a skewer and dig in. Thank you all for joining me in the kitchen today. Remember, the heart of every great recipe is the love you put into it. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and culinary inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit.